Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to write a Python program to print odd and even numbers from the given list. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, let's say that we have this list of numbers in a variable called numbers. Now what we are interested is that by the end of this video, we should get a list of all odd integers, right? All odd numbers as well as all even numbers, right? Now let's see how to do that. So let's initialize two empty list, and that will be basically odd list. So we know that in Python we can initialize a list empty by list like this, and then again we can do the same for the even list. So from this what we are doing is we are initializing an empty list of odd list and an empty list of even list in this variable. Now what we have to do, now we have to iterate into this numbers list, and we will check if the element is odd, then we will store it in odd list, and if the element is even, then we will store it in the even list, right? So as of now I am assuming that you are aware of how exactly a for loops work in Python, but if you have any doubt, then in the description box we will attach a video wherein we explicitly explained how exactly a for loops work in Python. So continuing with this video, what we are going to do, we'll iterate into this numbers, right? So let's have for I in numbers. Now what will happen? Now if we are doing this thing, then we will iterate through this. Now let's say 22 came into the list. So what we have to do, we have to check if 22 is even or odd. So how we will do that? So we'll do it with help of modulus operator. So we'll simply write if I modulus 2 is identical to 0. So if it's identical to 0, that means it's even. So what we will do, we will add that to even list. And how we can do that? So in Python we know that we can perform it with help of append. So we'll simply write dot append and then I. So from this line we mean that if the number that is coming inside the loop, if that is even, then please add that number to my even list, right? Now if that's not the case, then we will explicitly tell that yeah, if it is odd, then please add that particular element to the odd list. So by the moment when we will move out of this loop, that would be the moment when entire iteration would have been done, right? So that would be the moment wherein we will get all the numbers from the numbers list into our even list if that is even, and all the numbers from the numbers list into odd list if that particular element is odd. So let's print it. For better and more clarity, let's print one more thing, which is the length of the list. So for better clarity, let's remove this and let's write numbers are. Right now, let's print the length of these as well. Now in Python, we know that we can get the length of any list with help of len function. So we'll simply write len even list. And the same thing we will do for the odd part. So here you can see clearly that even numbers are 22, 34, right? So these all are the even numbers which is present in this list, and this all are the odd numbers that are present in this list, as well as we are finding what exactly is the number of even elements and what exactly is the number of odd elements. So this is how we can write a program in Python to find the number of even elements and the number of odd elements, as well as what all are the even and what all are the odd elements. So this wraps our video. I hope you enjoyed the video, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.